say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. So let's fill in this lead form as test lead, click on this continue and then submit. And once they submit this form, they are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message with a special offer. Yes, you heard it right. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see that we have successfully received this WhatsApp message within seconds and in real time. It is saying, hi test lead, thank you for showing interest in natural glow skincare. They have offered a 20% off on the first purchase. So yes, you're going to see this is the amazing automation which we're going to learn in today's video. And if you also want to send bulk offers to all your Facebook leads, then watch this video till the end and I bet this will be really helpful for converting your leads into your customers. So let's move on further and see how I created this automation. So to do this, I have opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly open your workflow builder. But if you're a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Once you click on the sign up for free button, you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads because we want to send bulk messages to Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, we have to select the account using which we want to connect our Facebook. But if you haven't logged in your Facebook account prior starting to this automation, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get this option, click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the page name. So I'm just going to select the page name for which I want to create this automation, which is natural glow skincare. And now for the lead gen form, I'm going to select the form for which I want to create this automation. It is a particular form, so I've selected the same. If you wish to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select the same too. Now I have to turn on the simple response button because we want to capture the response in simpler format and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response, open a new tab and search for Meta for developers and open the landing page of Meta for developers. After opening this page, go on this resources and then developer tools. Once you come on this developer tools, scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool. So open this lead ads RTO debug tool and it is going to open my lead ads testing tool. After opening this tool, we have to select the same page and the form which we selected in our workflow. And then we have to select the product as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. Let's say for the skin type, I'm going to select it as oily. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as demo, last name as lead. For the email, I'm going to keep it as demo@pabblytunes.com. Now let's move on further. I'm going to enter the phone number to right over here as this. After entering all of these details, let's click on this continue and then submit. And once we click on this submit, with this we have successfully submitted this lead form. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same over here. And as you can see 1 second ago, Pabbly has captured the response. You're going to see the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And now I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. Alright, so let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. You can use any another application too like Pabbly Chatflow, Vati, AI Sensi. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, you have to select it as send template message new and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking me for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all of these three, you have to go towards this learn more hyperlink given. Once you come on this learn more, you're going to see a document document where you're going to see the two videos attached. How to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and how to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API setup. So over here you're going to see that while you watch this video, you're going to learn how to completely set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. So you don't have to do anything, just watch this video. Otherwise, we have also mentioned this. You can read this too and set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. Alright, and by the end of the video, you're going to learn how to set up the WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And further, if you wish to generate the permanent token, you can refer to this video. I have already created my WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Over here is my phone number ID, the WhatsApp business account ID, and the access token. So I'm going to copy all of these three and one by one I'm going to paste it right over here. I'm going to paste the token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and click on this save. And with this, we have successfully created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. Now after creating this connection, we have to enter the receiver's phone number. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that I've mapped the receiver's phone number. Now let's move on further. We're going to go towards this template ID. So what is this template ID? For that, you have to open your WhatsApp Cloud API setup and we're going to see the option of create your own template. So go on this create your own template and it is going to open WhatsApp Manager. In this WhatsApp Manager, you're going to see all the templates which you have created. If you wish to create a new template, go on this create template button and further create a new. I've already created a template which I'm going to use today in this video, which is the special offers. So I'm just going to first show you this template. As you can see that this is my template. So let's select this template first. Alright, so I'm going to look for special offers over here and select the template. For the language code, it is English, so I'm going to keep it as EN. Now for the template name, it is not giving me the same template name, so I'm going to click on this refresh fields and it will be updated. Now it is saying template has a header, so as you can see that my template doesn't have any header, so I'm going to keep it as no. And now it is saying header type, so it is saying enable the mapping button and leave this field as blank if we don't have the template header. So I'm going to do the same and move on further. Now it is asking me for many another details, but all of these details are not required for my template, so I'm going to leave it as blank. It is saying template has a body, so yes, you're going to see that my template has a body. So I'm going to select the same. I'm going to go towards my workflow and select it as yes. Now it is saying variable one example leads name. So what is this? I'm just going to show you my template. So as you can see that this is my template and we're going to see that in this template I have this one in curly brackets. So you must be wondering why this one is in curly brackets, because I want to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply map the value of this one right over here, which is the demo, and the lead, which is the lead's name. I'm going to map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. Now let's move on further. It is saying template has a button, so as you can see that my template doesn't have any button. I'm going to leave it as no. And now rest of the fields are not required because my template doesn't have any button. Now let's click on the save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. And after replacing this, let's move on further and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the WhatsApp message. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see that we have received this message. Hi Demoli, thank you for showing interest in natural glow skincare. So you're going to see within seconds and in real time we have received this message. And now whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook, special offers will be sent towards my lead. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend like I showed you in the starting of this video. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.